All righty, this is the 16th day of October. Happens to be my sister's birthday today. And this morning we were watching as the dollar slowly made the turn. All right, so it's trying to commit to the downside move right now. And you have convergence for that downside move right now, as you can see. All right, so we're making lower highs. Most likely it's starting a channel to the downside. I don't have that information yet, although I can put that on, which I'm going to do. So I'm going to put the channel on to the downside. Go back here. Can I prove the heart line? Yes, 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 yes. So there's the opportunity on the dollar index to the downside. All right. So we're going with dollar down, which means we're going to look for a euro dollar up. Euro dollar is trying, it didn't go anywhere today at all. It's the target is up here at 106.04. And the ATR on that currency is euro dollar. Euro dollar right here, 75 pips. Right? Over to the pound dollar. Right, just trying to move up, moving up right now. And our target is up here at 1.2260 basically. And pound dollar has an ATR of 98 pips. Over to dollar Swissy, should be following the dollar. It is trying to break through to the downside. We're in a triangle. We got to break the support, but then our target is down here at 0.8968. We'd actually be holding for 89.50 down there, and dollar Swissy has a 75 pip ATR. Now, dollar yen all morning has said it's going up with dollar going down. Now, it's very probable for it because it does have that ability to do that. But you do have a problem here, and the problem is this one. This is why you got to resolve this. This is a flag to the downside, all right? In an uptrend right there with a zero line break and a T3 break to the upside. So this morning we went with up, but as you can see, they have not done much of that, all right? So be cautious of it. It could go either way. Target up is at 150.35, and dollar yen has a 91 pip ATR. Aussie dollar. The good news is you can't trade it until we get to Asian anyway. Head fake, could be a head fake up. Yeah, see this big candle up? When you get a big candle like that, it drives up. What happens to everybody's indicators? All the indicators go up and everybody buys. And then the bankers go, thank you very much. We'll take your trade. And they scream it to the downside. So that's why you got to find where the trade can happen and where can it prove that it's going to do that. Until you got proof, you stay out of the market. All right. Over to Aussie dollar. All right, trying to go up with dollar going down, and it's just now pushing up. Our target, let me get rid of this. Our target is 0.6373, and Aussie dollar has an ATR 72 pips. Euro yen, we're in this trade live right now, and we're holding at break even with two positions up here, looking for actually 158.50 up there where the R3 is, and Euro yen has an ATR of 119 pips. Pound yen, waiting for this all morning, finally went and has not pulled back very much yet. So we need a pullback here in the Asian market. Watch for that. Our target right now is at 183.04 up there. But and we'll get a new ATR after 5 o'clock and wait for that. And right now it's 149 pips. So wait for that and a pullback, right? Don't trade it now. The Asian session is 8 hours from now. All right, over to New Zealand dollar, right? New Zealand dollar just now making the move up. You had to take it at this line. Our target is up here. Let me get rid of this. Our target is up here, 0.5972. New Zealand dollar has a 64 pip ATR. Aussie yen trying to go up and trying to push. We don't have 55 pips left anymore, so there's nothing here. Target is 95.13, holding for 95.35 up there. And Aussie yen has an ATR of 96 pips, which is why you want to trade it, 100 pips a day. Your Aussie just going sideways, no commitment whatsoever to go up there. Our target, we go to a 60. Our target is up here at 65. Excuse me, 1.6756. It is a nice opportunity if we get it. All right. So there you go. So you can trade it 23 hours a day. You can't trade in the Frankfurt, but any other day, time of day, you can trade it. All right. Euro Aussie has an ATR of 120 pips. Pound Aussie. All right. Made an effort to try to get going and just hasn't gotten going yet. Our target is at 1.9336 up there. Pound Aussie has an ATR of 137 pips. Euro New Zealand, all right. We just broke right now, and we do have enough room here. I'd like to see a little pullback in here and then go with an entry order above this line. But pull back here, your entry order is above this line for two positions up there. Looking for 78.85 up there, and Euro New Zealand has 131 pip ATR. Pound New Zealand, we're waiting for a pullback here. We got a little one, not very much, but we did get, see, it did center. See, there's the center right there. So that's the entry. So it's enter when ready. Entry order is now above 26.07, so 26.10, holding for 2.0660 basically. And Pound New Zealand has an ATR of 143 pips. New Zealand yen, halfway to target right now, and nothing left in it. And 88.90 is our target, and New Zealand yen has an 88 pip ATR. And there we go for pound Swissy. We now got our breakout. Don't trade it now. It's time of day is bad. Wait for 5 o'clock to get a new ATR. Pound Swissy has a 62 pip ATR, so it's very difficult to trade because it's hard to get 55 pips. It'll be a little higher up in here tonight. And you might be able to get it up in there. All right, folks.